Hestia Mains Solar Siren setup. The mains power solar siren emits up to 120 dB of sound. Please wear hearing protection, such as earmuffs or earplugs when handling. The Hestia Solar Siren features a built-in 3.7-volt and 5,000 watt battery. The siren has a level switch on its rear. Slide it from off to on to power it on. A single beep indicates that the device is powered on. Please note, resetting is only required in case of a pairing error or product issue. The reset function is only available within 10 seconds of powering on. This is setting touch button. This is volume touch button. To reset the siren, press and hold both buttons for 5 seconds. A long beep will indicate the reset process has started. A short beep and the lights off confirm the reset. Start the pairing process. Please note, the pairing function is only available within 10 seconds after powering on. Hold the setting button for 2 seconds. After 2 continuous beeps, all lights turn on and the siren enters pairing mode. The pairing mode will remain active for 30 seconds. To link with the Hestia control panel, go to the siren and send a signal. The siren emits a long beep, and the LED light off indicates successful pairing. To test, press the alarm setup button and enter the default password. Enable siren beep for testing. Switch the mode from disarm to home mode. The system is armed with 3 short beeps, and the middle LED light turns on to indicate home mode is activated. Switch the mode from home to away mode. The system is armed with 3 short beeps, and the left and right LED lights turn on, indicated away mode is activated. When the system is disarmed, a long beep will sound with LED off. By default, the siren beep is normally turned off.
Security system armed.
The siren is tamper-proof. If removal is attempted, the alarm will be triggered immediately, accompanied by continuous flashing.